Hey, we're back with another POV vlog in the rain. How y'all doing, man? I'm great. Thanks for asking. Truly blessed. It's been a minute. What's the updates? I went to Memphis yesterday for Memphis versus Atlanta. I ain't gonna lie. It wasn't I ain't gonna say it wasn't normal packness for a Memphis game. It was a Monday. It was Atlanta. When I got there, I think I got there and parked 4 minutes before the doors open, or the normal time till the doors open. I got to park right up front. Normally I get there 30 minutes before doors open. I'm parking in the back. So that's why I mean, like, it wasn't this normal packness. Like, I guess because it was a Monday. They were playing Atlanta. It wasn't like a superstar team. But I ain't gonna lie, it was a great game. It came down to a wire, a buzzer beater. It's on my channel if you want to see it. It's in shorts. A buzzer beater layup by LeVert. DC Young Fly had a ball there. He was sitting next to Ja Morant daddy. But right now we just riding around. I'm about to hit a makeshift and grab some eats. Some eats before I go to bed. But yeah, I truly miss y'all. Hey, thanks for all the love and support on my 5 things I like and dislike about the Lexus ES350 L Sport, the 2022 edition. But yeah, man, it's real blessing to do this YouTube. And shout out to the ones been watching my live streams with the Grand Theft Auto. My voice been gone. Hold on, let me turn this mic on. There you go. Man, my voice been gone for the past couple of days. I think it's because I've been talking more than normal on stream. Well, it's not that I'm talking more than normal. It's I've been streaming more. Like, I want to say I did a cool 5 days last week. Excuse me. God dang, the power out. God dang. The power out partially. Like, the power just out right here in this small little circle. Everybody else got power. Look at the police just posted up. Do y'all job and direct traffic? But yeah, man, I miss y'all. I really enjoy doing this YouTube. God dang, how'd that tree fall? I really enjoy what I do. Sometimes I just get video ideas. I got another video. I'm not gonna say it yet. It should be coming soon. It's gonna match my basketball series with the MetaQuest. And just see how it goes, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. Shooting with the MetaQuest headset on is not for the weak. Because at a normal shooting motion, your hands get close to your eyes. God dang, it's raining hard. So when your hands get close to the, God dang, quiet down, Rain. Hey man, this is gonna be our last thing, and it's just gonna be rain for the rest of the video, so you can go straight to sleep off of it. But when your hands get close to the MetaQuest cameras, it get like a water wave, so it's like you looking in the water. but it's like the wave is coming through your eyes. So it's kind of like almost seeing, oh God. It's like you see like double or triple sometimes. But yeah, I ain't struck out yet. I hit some. I hit some when I shoot. And I'm not like lethal shooter. You gonna see I don't go in and do no warm-ups with the Quest or without the Quest. I just walk in and get straight to it. I don't do a layup or nothing. God dang. Where am I at? I'm by the cemetery. Yeah, yesterday was my grandmama's heavenly birthday. R.I.P. Grandma. I miss you. I got her, what is a memory charm? I got it on my memory chart I got on right now. And my birthday is in 13 days. So you want to give me a birthday gift? I just ask for you to subscribe. Just be honest. We washing their cars in the rain? Man, yeah, they mad they old lady. It's like I've been talking so much for the past 2 weeks. I feel like my throat just been dry. I'm making good time. They said my food should be ready at 10:23, so in 6 minutes. It's just crazy how Dickinson Road is really the total opposite of Gallatin Road. I ain't gonna lie, they got all the food spots though. Like, I ain't gonna say Sonics because Gallatin Road got 2 Sonics. They got one, I believe. But they got Jack in the Box. Gallatin Road ain't got that. What else? Let's sightsee for a second. See what's the difference. We got Subway on Gallatin Road. We got an X sign. Let's see. It's a Walmart on Dixon Road. It's technically one on Gallatin Road, but it's all the way in Rivergate. And if you know, you know. You prefer to go to the Rivergate one than the Dixon Road one. Yep, it's in time to invest into a new streaming mic. Both of them got an Arby's, but again, the Arby's on Gas Rose in Madison. They got this Rockin' Doe's pizza place right here by the hospital. Or really, before you get to the hospital, next to this hotel. You got Walmart, Lowe's. Shout out to LeBron, he just got 50K combining playoffs and regular season. But Jordan's still the GOAT. Just saying. You know, I might do a video doing Gilbert Arenas' point system. And putting all the top, maybe the top 10 in a video and breaking it down. And just see who got the most points. And, you know, this is one thing I can say about Jordan. What he accomplished in 11 full seasons with the Bulls. I know people want to say he played 13 seasons with the Bulls. He played 11 full seasons. His second season, he broke his foot and he played 18 games. Or 17 games. And the year he came back out of retirement / suspension, some say, allegedly, he played 18 games that season. So he didn't even play a quarter of the games. Yeah, he didn't. Because 82 games, he played 17 and 18 games. So he played less than 25% of the games. And this man in 11 full seasons had 10 scoring titles. Only season he didn't have a scoring title was his rookie year, and he was averaging 28. Let's put that in perspective again. The only year he didn't win the scoring title was his rookie year, and he was averaging 28. In 10 full seasons, he got 6 championships. So, out of 11 full seasons, he got 6 championships. So, based off his career projections, more than half the time he played, he was winning a championship. As a Bull, not as a... He played 13 seasons, so it's like right after half with the Wizards stats. He had the greatest individual season ever in history. Winning MVP, Defensive Player of the Year, Steals Champion, scoring title. That man did everything in one season outside of winning the championship. And stop the notion he only won because of Scottie. If all you need is a Scottie, and Scottie's time with the Bulls averaged 16 points for a career with the Bulls when Jordan was playing. He averaged 16 points. And he was the second leading scorer of the team with 16 points. Why ain't everybody winning championships with them numbers? You got to put that in perspective now. Then I got a homie. He loved quoting Gilbert Arenas when it benefits him. Like, I was like, man, he said LeBron did this. He's the GOAT. He's the GOAT. So then last Thursday to be exact, Gilbert came out and said Jordan is number 1, but his favorite player is Kobe. Number 2 is Penny Hardaway, but Jordan is number 1 on the GOAT list. So I sent him the video. I didn't put the part where he said Penny Hardaway or Kobe was his number 1 and number 2. I sent him that, and it's like, you hear Gilbert say Jordan is number 1. He said, well, Kobe is his favorite. Like, no, that ain't what the purpose of that was. Then he'll be like, well, how is he the GOAT if he lost about 40 points in the All-Star game? I was like, that's a good question. Let me go back and look at details about this All-Star game. The All-Star game is when Magic came back after finding out he had HIV and wasn't playing in the regular season, but he was voted as an All-Star and they begged him to come play. So what they was doing was just letting him do what he wanted to do so he can win All-Star MVP. And I told him that. Oh, I don't want to hear that. Oh, so you don't want to hear the truth, but you want to run with this 40-point narrative. It's just crazy what people would do. Like, oh, you just want to talk down about somebody. I just do it for fun now. Between him and my cousins, they just keep sending me reels and stuff. I'm like, let's cut it out now. If I accomplish more than you in 13 and a half seasons, I don't want to have a conversation what you did in 22 and you still behind me. Like, ain't no way you played almost twice as many seasons as me and still behind me in a lot of stuff. It took you 22 seasons to break my 30-point record. Games with at least 30 points. All right, I'm here at Makeshift. There's quite a few cars here for a Tuesday. There must be some people drowning their sorrows away. Yeah, I'm going to back in, and then I'm going to... my homie here. That's just look like his car. If he here on a Tuesday, oh yeah, he getting it. But all right, man. Appreciate y'all taking this ride with me. I'm about to grab my food and head home. And I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.